Kaiser, what's this? What's in this box? What's in here? Is that for you? Is there a treat in there? No, you gotta go to your box. Nope. Go to your box. Look at the box. Come here. Is there a treat in there? Let's see what's in the box. You wanna see what's in the box? Stop. Hey, look, what's in here? What's in the box? You wanna see what's in the box? You wanna see what's in the box? What's that? What's that? Is this a toy? Is this a toy? Is this a toy? Oh, it's a toy. Who wants the toy? Okay. All right, what else is in the box? Is it another toy? Is it another toy? What's another toy? Yeah. All right. Is something else in there? Is something else in there? Can you smell it? The treats? Is it treats? I think that's what we smell. Yes. We smell the treats? What else is in the box? Another toy. Another toy. We'll put that on your hand.